No.
1, 2, go.
May, I thought Mick was gonna do it.
Come on, Mick, try.
Wait, I'm getting
Mick.
out of the way.
Do it.
No laugh.
Do it.
We're not gonna laugh at you, Mick.
Another Facebook quality picture, I'm telling you.
Which girl, Mick?
Mick, go.
Maria
should have it.
What? Oh, no, I don't have it. I don't.
Come on already.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
What is that?
Oh, he kicked it.
Darn it.
Somebody kick it.
What are you
No,
doing?
you can't kick it.
Alright.
I can just.
Come on.
Hey, there's something in my hair. There's something in my hair. I missed it.
No,
He did it.
For camera.
Wait, did he actually do it without, like...
No, he didn't do it all the way.
Yeah, my arms aren't long enough.
Do it again. Do it again.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah.
Uh huh. It's gonna be all over the school by Monday morning.
I asked you all. Go, do it.
Oh.
Do it. Oh, it's...
Mick, don't be a freak. Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Ready?
He's like gonna hurt
One.
himself.
2, 3.
Groin.
Ah! I got that part! Yay!
My groin hurts.
It hurts. Oh, there you go.